morning, Falcons, and welcome to the Early Bird Show. Today is Tuesday, April 26th, 2022.
Please stand for the pledges to the flag.
I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Honor the Texas flag. I pledge allegiance to the Texas, one state under God, one and indivisible.
Please join us for a moment of silence.
Thank you. Please have a seat.
Now for today's weather. Today in Carrollton it will be sunny with a high of 72 and a low of 52. It's just getting colder and colder.
In the headline, tourists come to see tulips in Holland once again, grabbing incredible photos of spring. Photographs in the last few weeks show stunning kaleidoscope of colors bursting in bloom in Holland's tulip fields. Beginning in late March, millions of blooms have been delighting visitors in the Netherlands with their patchwork of color. One of the photographers, Matt Cooper, a 48-year-old who came to see the spark of color that Holland had. He shared it with millions of people.
Today in history, in 1927, the first fully electronic television system is achieved.
Interesting. Today's fun fact is, if you are playing Animal Crossing New Leaf or New Horizons at 3:33 on Sundays and Mondays, you will see an alien deliver a strange message.
Wow, that's weird.
Today's lunch options are drumsticks or pizza sticks.
Now for the trick of the day. Hey Parker, what do you do when you try to fish in an elephant?
I don't know what.
Swimming trunks.
That's all for today. Let's on it together.
Doing your best is the key to success. I choose excellence.
I'm Max.
And I'm Parker. That's Larry and that's Fiona. Until next time, fly high, Falcons.